I have two decks here made by Illusionist Playing Card Company. One is called Ignite by about fire stuff, and then Fathom, it even says inspired by water on here. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at both these decks. They are pretty similar up until we get to the face of the cards, so we're going to go ahead and judge both of the boxes and the materials and the backs together. Obviously, these are paper boxes, and they have a printed picture on them and text, so you can identify, I guess, the name of the deck, which is helpful. So that's a total of 3 points for the box. Now for the material of the cards, they are, you can even see on this ad card that they include that it is a air cushion finish. If you can see any of the little dots on the card, that gives it some grip, which is a 4-point material, no other bonuses. The backs for both of them are going to be a unique pattern. I'm not giving it the pattern made of pictures because I can't identify anything in here as being a thing. It's basically just a pattern made of a bunch of squigglies. I mean, it does have a kind of fire resemblance to it, but it's not like anything I can point out and say this is that. These are just artistic drawings, not really any kind of specific thing. So I'm just going to give it 2.5 for the back. Now let's get into the front. So I'm going to put the water to the side for now and take a look at the fire. So what we got here, a couple ads, no extra points there. But then you've also got your two jokers, and then the pips themselves are pretty standard looking. These look like just about any pip from any other deck, except there's one on each card that has a fire design to it. And I think that's kind of disappointing. I don't know why not every pip looks like that on any given card, because otherwise it looks just like a regular pip. Pretty standard looking. It's a little odd, but I'm going to give this deck the standard suit and pip arrangement 2-point base. I am going to give it the unique royal cards. This is definitely different enough from a regular bicycle deck that it constitutes giving it the 1.2. But the unique pip cards, I'm not going to give it the full 1.3 because they do have at least one pip on every card that's unique. I'm going to give it 0.7 for unique pips. Usually it's 1.3, but I'm going to give it just 0.7 just because it's half rounded up to a 10th decimal place. I mean, that looks nice. There's the ace of spades, of course. I mean, I don't see why not have every pip be that fire design. If they did, it would probably look better, I think. Which means this deck is a total of 13.4 out of 20 and 67 out of 100. So it is definitely above an average deck. Just finished fanning through these. Now for that water deck, Fathom. Right away we're going to see right here, we got two jokers, a squid or octopus, how many legs does it have? And then you also have a magic card. So this is handy for doing some magic tricks. So you get an extra half point just for having an actual additional card in the deck. And then we get kind of a same deal as the Ignite deck. You've got one pip on every card that is unique. It's kind of got a bubble design to it. But these pips are not standard. They've got that little dot there. Each of them has a weird little dot. I guess it's kind of like for the octopus? I don't know. Definitely unique royals, same as the last deck. But I think these are unique enough that the whole card has unique pips. So I'm going to give the full 1.3 for unique pips. That brings the total of the faces here to a 5, which means the deck as a total is 14.5 out of 20 and 72.5 out of 100, which I think makes this deck that much better than the Ignite deck. just finish fanning through these. So just to recap real quick here, we've got the Ignite deck as a 67 and the Fathom deck as a 72.5. And that's it for this review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.